What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxXPANA. Today is day 20 of DOPEcember. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me all month. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time I post. So jumping right in, we're going to do a half up, half down braided style. I'm going to be doing petal braids, which is a really popular half up, half down style that's been floating around right now, but I'm just putting a little bit of a twist on it to make it more like kid friendly. And my client does have a relaxer. She's only 5 and they were just kind of struggling taking care of her hair, so they put a relaxer in it. And so we're not going to be doing that again, and I'm going to help her grow her hair back out healthy. And I'm going to let you guys know what products that I use on transitioning hair or hair that is relaxed, because it does tangle really easily and it does get really stringy. And for me, relaxed hair is just a little bit harder to braid, so we're going to talk a little bit about that in this video. So they go ahead and pre-part the back petal sections just so I can make sure those aligned right. The product that I'm going to be using today in this video is Shine and Gem, the honey, and I'll make sure that I link this in the description section for you guys. I do like to use more of a lightweight product because I really do find that hair that is transitioning or relaxed gets very tangled easily. So you don't want to use a product that has any type of extreme hold to it. You need something that is very easy to comb through, also because I feel like their hair, especially when transitioning, is really brittle where that line of demarcation is. So you want to just really be careful in that area, and using something stronger is really going to create a lot of tangles and be very hard to get through their hair. My client literally did amazing, guys. She was like rocking it out. She was like, it hurts a little bit when it would hurt, but she really let me get through her entire head, and that is amazing when I find a kid who can actually sit there and let me do my thing. I love to stitch braids on on kids, but not all kids can sit through it. Like some of them I'm just like, oh my god, I literally have to get her out of my chair. But this client really sat there, let me stitch it. I cannot wait until you guys see the finished look. So I am definitely not a person who shames people who wear relaxers. I know people who have relaxers in that have extremely healthy hair, and some people, like maintenance wise, just cannot you know, maintain their hair in its natural state, and I totally understand that. I would never recommend it for a kid. I just think that, you know, their hair textures are just forever changing, and I definitely wouldn't recommend a relaxer for any child. But just like any other chemical service that we do to our hair that has been chemically treated, whether it's color, relaxer, a perm, it does take a little extra loving and extra care. So in her case, it just wasn't receiving that extra love and attention, and so I'm gonna help her kind of just grow her hair out. We're gonna actually try to grow this relaxer out, so we'll see how long that takes, and then just give her trims and stuff and keep her healthy on the way. This was actually my first service with this client here. She was literally a doll. I didn't do a trim on her, but after this service, I am gonna be doing a trim. I just honestly didn't have the time set up in my schedule to do this, but I'm just getting her right for the holidays, y'all, and I literally cannot wait until you guys see her done. Her confidence was on 1,000, and that's literally the best feeling as a stylist, when you just see a kid come alive, because I thought she was quiet, okay? And then I seen her with her hair done, and I said, oh yeah, baby girl, you are a mood. So I'm super excited to get to this finished look and show you guys. actually been really wanting to try this petal braid style, but I haven't had a client to do it on yet. So they literally told me I could do whatever I want with her hair. So I was like, okay, yay, I'm gonna try the petal braids on her. I just only wish that I kind of curved my petals a little more so they look kind of leafy, but I'm still really happy with the way that it turned out. And I knew that her braids weren't touching in the back. I really didn't care. I kind of just wanted those to lay down freely. But I did learn a new technique about how to keep your braids close together in the back today. So if you guys want me to share that information with you guys, get this video to 5,000 likes and I'll go ahead and share that for you guys. So dipping it, I was kind of irritated when I dipped it. The texture of the hair changed, and I don't know if you guys have ever dipped hair and it's done that. You guys can see where it's dry and where it's wet. I literally hate when hair shrivels up like that. This was, what brand of hair was this? This was Africana braiding hair, which I've only used on, I feel like myself, for singles. And I absolutely love that brand, but seeing the texture change, I was kind of just like, ugh, this is annoying. But this is my finished look. She literally looks so bomb. When she was done, y'all, she started recording herself. I said, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna put that recording in there for you. She also made a TikTok on my TikTok account. So if you guys seen that little girl and she was like, I like my hair, this is her. Literally a doll. I hope you guys love this tutorial. If you guys do, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate everybody who has been showing me love for DOPEcember. I've been trying to keep my content like super relevant, so it's not like I'm just throwing out trash videos this month. And I'm gonna try to keep it up after the holidays too. So if you guys love DOPEcember, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll try to keep my uploads consistent after the holidays. Y'all, we are almost there. 5 more videos and we are out. So thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Wait, I lied. I'm back. Y'all, tell me she is not cute. When I was literally recording the finished look, she was on the phone like, look at my hair. I'm gonna put my TikTok in the last video too. If you guys are not following me on TikTok, please make sure you guys follow me on TikTok, okay? All right, for real, I'm out now. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching.
I like my hair.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?